Hey, Roderick, Brandon Welch here at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet. I just wanted to introduce myself, and then also I'm going to show you the truck that you're interested in. It's on our showroom floor, so I'm going to go in here. I'm not going to be too loud. I'm just going to show you the features, all right? Got the white frost tri-coat, automatic tailgate here, and then if you lower it, if you go back up, let that come out. Got your little workspace here, or if you have a big load in there, lift this up, and you'll be able to keep it in. There's also a step on there I'll show you in a little bit. Retractable running boards there. What's cool about these two is that, and then you're able to step up and get into the back a lot easier. So much space in the back of all these. Got your sunroof. What you know inside doesn't really matter. You got your heated and your cooled seats. And your new big wireless charger. Alright, give me a call at 706-453-2500. Once again, this is Brandon Welch at Jimmy Britt Chevrolet.